Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a circular flowchart in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match to open it. Click on the blank document. Okay, so let's start with it. Now at the ribbon, you will find all these tabs. Simply click on the Insert tab. And here you will find SmartArt. Click on that. Now choose a SmartArt graphic. Simply choose cycle. And here from the list, you can simply choose the template that you want. But I'm just going to go with this one, the basic cycle. And click on OK. You can also add your text from here. You can also change colors. So let's change the colors. You have here primary theme colors, colorful, accent 1, accent 2, accent 3. Now let's go with colorful and simply choose the second one. If you want to simply add your text, simply type it from here. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a circular chart in your Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.